Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be seeing how to navigate through your document so easily using Word. So I have a document that has so many pages and so many headings, and I want to navigate through it. So you go to view, and as you can see there's a navigation panel. So all you have to do is just tap on that and it will bring you all these different headings you have, and you can just click on them and it takes you to the page that you want to have, and after that you just close it. And if you want it back, you can just still click the navigation panel and it will come back. So this also helps you search through your document whatever you want to search through. So there is always this search bar at the top, so you can just search anything that you want, like any word that you want to search for the document. So I've searched in project, and as you can see it brings this different projects in the word, and you can choose what you want. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like.